Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today I'm gonna show you guys a few more purchases. Even though I said I was gonna tone down on it, I kind of lied, but that's okay, you know? So I purchased a few things from YOLO because they were doing a 40th anniversary collection. So I purchased 2 shirts because every single time you buy 2 shirts you get 1 free Gundam model. And I believe that if you purchase a few more, then you get 2 or something like that. But I was able to purchase 2 shirts and we got a free model, and you get to choose within the 2. There were 2 options. So look, you know, just a piece of paper stating it. So this is the one we got. Pretty cool. It even says YOLO on the shield. But this is for Sunny. And this is on the back. And then I purchased this shirt for myself. There's this. The front. There's this on the sleeve. And then there's this on the back. Pretty cool. And then they also came out with a new Pokemon collection. So I purchased a few things for us. So for the girls, this is for Layla. So it's like a little powder blue shirt with like a whole line of Pokemons right there. Like first gen Pokemons. And look at that. And that's the silhouette of them. And I think that this is gonna be so cute on Layla. And then Layla loves My Little Pony, so this shirt was like on sale and I wanted to get it for her. You know, there you go, Pinkie Pie. And she likes like little flares on the bottom of her shirt. You know, she thinks it's like a shirt and a dress, so it's kind of like a combo for her. 2 in 1 deal kind of, you know. And then I got this Pokemon shirt for myself. Look at that. This is huge. But I think it's a girl's because it's like short on the bottom too. It's embroidered in it too, or on it. Pretty cool. Always been into fire Pokemon. Out of Totally Chosen Charmander. And then this shirt is for Layla again. Super into like Frozen. I'm kind of happy that they got into Frozen kind of like later than everybody else did because everything was so expensive, always sold out. And then I got this Pokemon shirt for myself. I love this shirt so much. I told Sunny I really needed to get it because there's a Ditto. Can you see it? Ta-da, Ditto. And then the back says, be anything, be yourself. Ditto is my favorite Pokemon as well. I love Ditto. Ditto's my favorite Pokemon. And then I got Sunny this shirt. So if you build Gundams, then you kind of just know, or build models, you just kind of know that they come with like this little tray that you have to cut. And so cool that is. Well, that's cool. The Gundam is embroidered on here. That's cool. And then Luna is super into science and all these other stuff, so I have to get her this Natural History Museum shirt. So it's like just a few dinosaurs on it. She's super into like dinosaurs, bugs, it's like nature stuff. She's learning like that stuff right now too, so in science, really awesome. And then the girls are super into like Lego as well, and I think that's really cool because YOLO had a few nice shirts as well. Look at this. It says Imagine More. And then they had a few more as well, but some of the stuff was sold out. So I was kind of sad. I got the shirt for Sunny too. So Layla had that little powder blue first gen Pokemon shirt, and I got Sunny this like pink. I don't know, this pink is very like bright, but it's a nice shirt. This is for Sunny. You can match with Layla. And then the last shirt for Luna, and like I said, Luna's like super into like bugs and stuff. So this was also part of the Natural History Museum collection, and look, there you go, bugs. Like names of the bugs. I lied, it's not names of the bugs. But these are beetles. They're beetles. And a like, little description on the bottom about beetles. That's all that I bought from YOLO. It wasn't as much as the one before. So let me go on to the next one. So the next one, I bought a Funko Pop from Galactic Toys because this is a Galactic Toys exclusive, so I had to get her. And the awesome thing about Galactic Toys is every single time you buy a Funko Pop from their website, their Funko Pops comes inside a little pop protector, which is pretty cool. I got Midnight. I also purchased a glow-in-the-dark Luis, so I'm excited. I'm gonna wait for that. And then I bought a few things for from Amazon. So I bought this case for my Switch. Okay, well first let me show you guys this. I bought this clear case for my Switch. It's pretty cool. I like how there's like this support for my hands. I like that. And then so I had to buy more protective gear. I also purchased a screen protector, so I'm waiting for that. But I bought this case, so whenever I go out and about, I can have this with me. It comes with like game slots, and then your Switch is supposed to fit into it so like perfectly. So I just have to take off my clear case. I don't know about that. You know, this will work. It fits. I didn't need to take off my clear case. This is great, and it's yellow. And then I wanted to buy like a skin or whatever for my computer keyboard. Like, I don't know, I get kind of nervous just typing on it like this. So I bought a protection kind of thing. And okay, like this packaging sucks ass. And the reason why I bought this skin as well is because it also tells me like all the keyboard shortcuts that I could use, and I think that's really cool. But look at this shit. Look at this. Who, like, somebody's dog ate it, or like it got ran over or something. What kind of shit is this? Ugh. Look how nice this is. So cute. See, it shows you all the little shortcuts, so you know my ass knows. And I don't even know really how to put it on. Oh, it just like sticks on. Well, I did kind of like a booty job, but you know, this is what it's supposed to look like. And then Luna and Layla, they tend to, you know, obviously we let them watch like YouTube Kids on like our iPad and stuff, and then like Luna's doing schoolwork on her school tablet. And so I wanted to like just kind of protect their eyes, and so I purchased some blue light glasses for the girls. It came in this little cute lemon glasses case. I bought two different colors. I got a pink one, and then it comes with like extra stuff. I don't know. I think this is for the back of the earpiece, I guess. I mean, back of this. And it comes with like a blue light. Look at that. It also comes with, obviously, glass lens cleaner. So I got a pink one. And then I also got, this one's cute. Look at that. So as you can probably tell, I got a blue one. Layla's favorite color is blue and Luna's favorite color is green, but they didn't have green. What are you focusing on? Now I'm struggling. I wanted to start making tea at home by like tea leaves and stuff like that. So I got this like twisting tea ball. Just goes into your cup. Well, scoops and twist and sleep better. Oh, steep for better tea sleep. I also got another one, and it's called Baby Nessie. We're kind of like leaving your cup, I guess. So cute. Just put the tea inside her, close it, and then you put it in your cup, and then it should just go all into your drink. It's maroon. It's silicone. So that is all that I purchased on Amazon so far. My next purchase, I had My next purchase, I had an early access on my sneakers app to purchase these shoes, and I've been wanting these for the longest time. And they're so cute. I love my box, by the way. Nice. Look at these fire red 5s. So nice. I got a kids, so bam. Can you see? They're so nice. Someday I will show you guys my shoe collection or sneakers collection. I have a lot of shoes. I forgot how I stumbled across these, but I think I just saw on Instagram. So I probably ran or came upon them through Instagram. I forgot where I came across, but I was so excited to see these because I was really sad that I missed the opportunity of buying Nike's Pride collection last year. So when Adidas announced their collection for this year, I was so excited. I only saw 2 and I might go back and look. So for the first one, I wanted to show you guys, this is like an all black box. Look at that. I really wanted to get these. This is my first pair of this kind of shoe, so I'm hoping it fits really well. I looked up a bunch of reviews, so I'm hoping this shoe size fit. I had to get these Pride NMDs. Look at this. They're so sick. And look at the, shoelace. What does it say? Can you see it? Like that? And then look at the strap, look at the insole, and look at the tongue. I love these so much. These are my babies. I was so excited. I love these so much, and like I said, it's my first pair of NMDs, so I'm hoping they fit really well. They don't come with extra laces, but that is more than fine. I don't know how to put it back in the box right now, but I wanted to show you guys the other one. The other one I was so happy to see as well. I shared it to my friend Ken, and I love them. So this is just the normal blue Adidas box. Bam, bam. These I did not hesitate to buy either. And again, you see the paper. Look at this. So there you go. And then the tongue, here you go. The insole has the Pride on the inside. Oops, sorry, let me take that out of your way. Ugh, out of your way again. I love these so much. They're so cute, so sleek, and look at the shoelace again. So nice. Can you see it? I'm sorry. There you go. So just showing my support and just wanted to spread love and all the good stuff. That is all that I purchased today, or not today, but recently. There are some things that I am also waiting to come in. So I will probably make another video so you guys can see it. But with Pride coming up this month or this upcoming month, I am very excited, and I've been just looking at all these Pride shoes that have been coming out. So I am looking forward to possibly purchasing them and then showing you guys what I decided to get. So thank you for watching today. If you liked this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more, feel free to subscribe. And yeah, if you have anything to say, just write it down in the comments. Alright, I hope you guys have a great day. Stay safe, and thanks for watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today I am going to show you guys a few more purchases that I did, even though I said I wasn't going to buy anything anytime soon. I lied, but I just wanted to show you guys what I bought. Uniqlo had a little Gundam anniversary collection. then you get like a free 5 or 5